Hey there, welcome to this quick guide on Kubernetes. In the next 2 minutes, I'll explain what Kubernetes is, why it's important, and how it helps manage your applications. Let's dive in. Kubernetes is an open source platform that automates the deployment, scaling, and management of containerized applications. If you're using Docker, Kubernetes goes further by orchestrating those containers across multiple machines, ensuring everything runs smoothly. Think of Kubernetes as the manager of your containers. It makes sure that your apps run consistently, even when they're spread across different machines. So, why Kubernetes? First, scalability. Kubernetes adjusts your app's resources based on demand. Second, high availability. If a container crashes, Kubernetes replaces it instantly, keeping your app running without downtime. Third, rolling updates. Kubernetes lets you update your app without taking it offline, rolling out changes smoothly. Kubernetes works by managing a cluster of machines called nodes. Inside each node, containers are grouped into pods, which are the smallest deployable unit in Kubernetes. The system ensures that everything is running as expected. That's Kubernetes in 2 minutes. It's a powerful tool to manage apps at scale. If you found this useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.